Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cape Cod, or near Harvard, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Woodstock, Harvard, Baringo, Poplar Grove, Richmond, Capron, Hebron, Timberlane, and Caledonia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I don't know how that didn't go off. I've been having some problems with reception lately, especially on channel 5. Reception didn't seem too bad to me, but I guess for some reason the radio just couldn't pick it up.